UPSC na loba exam da All India rank 508 tarakraba Ksh.Deepi Chanu na Manipur da thokliba chahi farakadorba irang asina mipum kudingmak awaba mayok na hali maram asina kulai pairiba nakal animaki kulai thadoknaba mathou tai wathok asige warosindi miyamna lepkadabani haina phongdoklakli wafam asing asi ELITETV ga akanana unaba mata mahakna phongdokibani mahakna makata na hai miyamna khatnaba toklaba matamda pamdaba thodoksin thokliba sisu lepkigani Administratorsingna santi puraknaba hotnabaga loinana state asibu amuk hanna mahusagi film da laknaba hotnaba mathou tai haiki.
Say that this is a question obviously that every UPSC aspirant thinks while we're preparing, reading the newspapers, thinking what can be the solution. And largely what I came to as a conclusion was the solution comes with the people. The fighting will not stop unless the people stop it.
Right.
The lawmakers may only be able to do limited. You can tell, okay, you stop it and control them via, say, brute force or otherwise. But at the end of the day, the people's will be the thing that will always end up occurring. That is true for any kind of society, maybe Manipur, maybe, say, Haryana, for that matter. So I think there needs to be a perception change, a realization that we are one people. When somebody looks at us from outside, they don't see these two different ethnicities. They see one people. They see Manipuri, okay, from that state. So that realization needs to come in. This is what I did in a line. And for current affairs, I mainly refer to PT 365 as well as monthlies this time because it was seen that a lot of questions were coming from current affairs. So those are the things I did. Fortunately, cleared prelims with a good margin this time because of all the hard work. More than GS though, I believe CSAT is becoming a hurdle for many people.
Yeah.
And it was a difficult thing for me as well. I'm not that good at math. English is very difficult that is asked in these papers.